Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use markup in Safari on a web page in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, go to app library and then open utilities folder. Now open Safari and open the web page where you want to use markup. Now click on this share button and scroll down and then click on markup. Here you can use different tools for markup. You can also use the eraser to erase the markups, and you can also use the scale for straight lines. And you can also change the color. So after doing markups, simply click on done. If you want to save the file, then click save the file, and if you don't want to save the file, simply click on delete PDF. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.